Hello everyone, this is Hitesh Patil and I am pursuing my MBA first year at Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Management Studies. Today we will talk about JIT. It stands for Just in Time. Just in Time is a lean manufacturing and inventory management strategy that ensure materials and products arrive only when needed, reducing waste, costs and inefficiency. There are some key ideas. Produce only what is needed when it is needed and in the quantity needed. Shifts from a push system producing in advance to a pull system producing based on demand. Pioneered by Toyota Production System (TPS) in Japan. Have you ever wondered how companies like Toyota, Dell, and McDonald's manage to operate with minimal inventory, reducing costs and improving efficiency? The answer is just in time, a lean management technique that eliminates waste, optimizes production, and ensures seamless supply chain operations. In this video, we will explore how JIT works, its principles, benefits, challenges, and real world applications. What is JIT? JIT is a strategy used in manufacturing and supply chain management that ensures raw materials, components, and finished goods arrive just when they are needed, avoiding excess inventory. How does it work? Instead of stockpiling materials, businesses order and receive goods only when required. This minimizes waste, storage costs, and inefficiency. Example: think of car manufacturer. Instead of storing thousands of parts, they receive components like tires, seats, and engines exactly when assembly starts. This ensures a smooth workflow while reducing unnecessary storage. Key principles of JIT. JIT is built on 5 core principles: elimination of waste, removes unnecessary inventory, overproduction, waiting time, and defects, continuous improvement, encourages a culture of ongoing process optimization, just-in-time inventory management, ensures raw materials and components are available only when needed, supplier collaboration, requires strong relationships with reliable suppliers for timely deliveries, employee involvement. Employees are trained to identify inefficiency and improve processes. The following is the JIT process flow. JIT flows a structural process. Customer order received, production starts based on demand, raw materials ordered, suppliers send only the necessary materials, manufacturing begins. The assembly process starts immediately. Inspection and quality control ensures zero defects. Product delivered, the finished product reaches customers without storage delays. Example: McDonald's prepares food only after an order is placed, ensuring freshness and minimal waste. Following are the benefits of JIT. JIT provides significant advantages for cost savings, less money spent on storage and excess inventory, faster production cycles, increases operational efficiency, reduce waste, less overproduction and defective products, improved quality, continuous inspections lead to better products, better supplier coordination, strong supplier relationships ensure on time deliveries. Challenges of JIT. Despite its benefits, JIT has also some challenges. Supply chain disruptions. A delay from suppliers can halt production. High dependency on reliable suppliers. Any failure in supply chain coordination affects operations. Demand fluctuations. Unexpected spikes in demand can lead to shortages. Implementation costs. Requires process re-engineering and investment in technology. Example: during the COVID-19 pandemic, companies using JIT struggled due to supply chain breakdowns, highlights its risks. There are some real world examples of JIT. The first one is Toyota, the pioneer of JIT, reducing costs and improving quality. Dell manufactures computers only after receiving customer orders. McDonald's prepares food on demand, minimizing waste. Zara produces small batches of clothes based on fashion trends. How to implement JIT? To implement JIT in a business, we can follow the following steps: analyze customer demand, that forecast needs and accurately, strengthen supplier relationships, ensure timely raw material supply, implement lean manufacturing, use Kanban and Kaizen and 5S techniques, reduce inventory levels, shift towards minimal stock holding, ensure quality control, early defect detection prevents rework. And that's how we conclude this topic called JIT. JIT is a powerful strategy that enables companies to reduce costs, improve quality, and enhance efficiency. However, its success depends on strong supplier collaboration, demand forecasting, and continuous improvement. Thank you so much.